Say good morning.
I'm not saying good morning. Emergency.
Wala pa yung PCU
That
kanina.
noise stops.
Yeah, there's a noise. So what they're doing?
That's the standby generators, and they run. Of course,
Yeah.
they have to make sure they're working.
Yeah, they're working.
But they started it up at 8 o'clock this morning,
And that you just fell asleep.
and I'd just gone to sleep at 6 o'clock ish.
Yeah. Ayaw na
In fact, it
dito.
was starting to get daylight when I went to sleep. So it was
Oh
probably
no.
6:30.
Not good.
Then I just fell asleep again, and the breakfast guy barged in the door at 25 past 8 with the breakfast.
Oh no. Okay.
Yeah. I showed these to Thomas, but he couldn't really see much over the phone. So
Okay. Oh yeah, can I have a look?
I'm going to have the back pages. I got a photograph for them to send it to him. Have a look.
Okay. Tignan natin yung kanyang braso. Wala pa yung PCU niya. 8 to 10. Ay, alam mo, alas 12 na guys. Wala pa oh. Oh goodness. Ingay guys. Antok din ako. Tagal ng kanyang physio. Physio na lang hintay namin din. Pwede na kaming lumabas afternoon. Tagal. Pero bigyan na lang daw siya ng lunch. Nagugutom na din ako. Tagal uy. Hanggang uwi na tayo sa bahay. Pahinga tayo sa bahay guys. I did not turn the heater off pa. Because I said it would be nice and warm getting in the house.
That'll be okay. That'll
Yeah.
be 18. No?
It's really cold there, babe. It's raining. Umuulan. Lamig. Nagugutom na ako. Parang gusto ko bumaba. Bili pagkain.
Weights, no TheraBand, no carrying anything, I was going to say heavy, but really anything. Don't walk around carrying things, because if you walk carrying with your arms straight, it's putting pressure on the biceps.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know it moved. Okay.
So you can,
That's the exercise.
that's one of them.
Right, yeah,
Okay?
sure. Yeah,
We'll do it in a second. So your
Yeah.
good hand does all the work.
Okay.
So no lifting of picking things up, no carrying things around the incisions after they've healed, so after you see Dr. Soot in a couple of weeks.
Okay.
Ice you can use straight away. You got ice packs at home?
Yeah.
Yep.
Plenty? More than one?
Yep.
Okay, good. Four's perfect. So you can alternate them. Ice goes on for 10 or 15, off for 10 or 15, grab your next one, on for 10 or 15. Keep alternating so they're always cold.
Okay.
Just bung them back in the freezer.
Yep.
Okay.
Easy.
Painkillers, keep taking them as needed. Half an hour after you.
This is it. This is the time that Tony stopped doing stuff. He can't really move.
I can move.
He's not allowed to. Tignan yung medyas niya. Hintay kami ng lunch. Tapos na lahat. Bibihisan ko na siya. Tapos niya ng lunch. And check the weather guys. Bayan. Ay ingay ng generator.
Yeah, take the socks off, the red socks.
Checking it off.
Yeah, take them off and throw them in there.
Sabi ko guys, may dala akong Coke. Pag bukas ko ng bag, chacharan! Beer! Last night it was Coke though. And then the following row is this. So I just grab it really quick.
Oh, I see how you do it. Yes, that's what
And then hindi...
It's similar colours.
Oh my gosh! You can use Siri voice message.
Okay.
Pero bumili ako sa baba guys ng hot chocolate at saka sandwich. Kain tayo. Wala pa yung pagkain niya. Nauna pa ako. Pagkain. Mukhang masarap. Spicy pork to guys. Na sandwich. Kain tayo. Yun o, kita nyo ba? Kain. Wala pa tayong pagkain Tony. Tagal. Okay, we're ready. I said don't carry anything. Ay, tigas ng ulo. Sit, put it down, babe. I'm carrying it.
Didn't see that. It's faulty.
Tigas ng ulo. Purating ka to. Uwi na tayo, guys. Tapos na tayo. Bye, hospital. Put it down, babe. I'll carry it.
Good luck.
Bahay na kami, guys. Ayun na. Bumili lang. Dumaan lang kami sa supermarket. Bumili kami bagong tinapay. At saka, Panadol. Kasi kailangan nito ng Panadol. Kailangan ko rin pala maglabas ng butter dyan, oh. And magluluto din ako ng dinner soon. Yun yung mga panadol niya. Tinamihan ko na kasi kailangan niya ng madami. And yung soft drinks kasi wala palang soft drinks. Yun nga, inadlaw ko kanina. Beer pala yun. Anyway, pahingayin muna natin siya at magluluto ako soon. Tinood ng TV. Okay.
What's that?
I said that was a bit loud, the TV.
Yeah, no, changed over, just let me know.
Okay. You okay? Yan yung tsura niya. What's your outfit of the day?
Oh, it's nice, isn't it? We got an extra belly swelling with fingers.
I am cooking dinner, guys. Okay, so magluto ako ng lamb. Roast lamb potty for dinner. Parang may masarap na pagkain si sir, guys. Kasi diba, galing hospital.
Oh,
You okay?
yes, gotta get the
Oh.
mice on.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll put it there because there's no space at the moment. Rice. Kailangan niyo ng ice packs. Do you have to take medicine? No? Not yet? Okay. Lamb and roast veggies ang kanyang dana. So let's do this. Hindi ko kayo ma-fast forward guys kasi nasa camera man kayo. Ang hirap mag-fast forward. Dito ko na lang kayo lagay. I actually have another one that it says is good series, baby. It's quite a long one. But we need series anyway. Is my scissors there, babe?
Yep, I'm coming over. I think I'll watch this. Yeah, watch that one.
There's few ones we could watch. Say few ones.
Oh, it's a funny series.
Yeah, series.
Okay. Oh no!
What? What you got?
I'm gonna have trouble getting my. I can't get my computer going. I can't get my finger out.
Oh. Oh yes. Fingerprints.
Luckily, I can remember mine. That's
Yeah. Good job. Okay guys, luto na yung ating dyan. Labas ko na. And mas smoky. Roast lamb lang to at saka veggies. Ayan. Kita nyo sa atin yung ating dyan. Labas ko muna guys. bit bony, so it's kind of hard to cut it. But I will cut it. Ito na guys yung dinner ni Tony. Yan yung dinner niya. Pero ikakat ko yan guys kasi hindi niya makakat yan. But yan yung dinner. Hindi ko pa nakat yung akin. Pero meron pa naman dito. So kain tayo. Kainin ko muna yung aking pasyente. Looks good, right? Masarap. Okay. What are we doing? Umaga na guys. Matulog na tayo. Ay, bakit ko?
I'm going to sleep.
Yeah, we have to figure out how you're going to sleep, baby. Yeah, matulog na
I
tayo.
think just put a t-shirt on.
T-shirt.
Just like this, but this one of the...
You're sleeping your pajamas. I thought you got the pajama for it. Tulog na tayo guys. Anong oras na? Mag-close na din tayo ng vlog. For today. Nanood na kami ni Tony ng TV series. Yun na lang yung gagawin namin for 6 weeks. 6 weeks siya guys. May ano sa kamay, sa braso. May sling. So, 6 weeks siyang hindi makakagalaw. Hindi nakakatawa, but mabuboard siya for sure. Kasi nga, matagal. 1 day pa lang ngayon and nabuburyo na siya. Buti na lang may nahanap ako na magandang palabas, guys. Oh, sorry. May magandang palabas na... Ay! Ano ba yun? Sorry. Hindi ko tuloy matapos yung sinasabi ko. Yan, lagay ko kayo. May magandang palabas ako nakita na pinapanood niya. Ilang oras na siya doon. Hindi siya gumagalaw. Gusto niyang panoorin every details nung pinapanood niya. Gusto niya. The Honor, yung series guys, lagay ko dito sa screen para makita niyo. Ano siya, TV series. Maganda siya. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya siya pwedeng mapanood kasi parang hindi siya sa Netflix eh. So gusto niya yun guys, and nakahook lang siya sa TV ng ilang oras na. Start nung hapon, madaling araw na mag-alas 2 na guys. Ngayon palang ayaw niya pa sana matulog pero sabi ko, huy, tulog na tayo. Umaga na. Kinuskus ko yung mata ko kasi ang dry niya yun guys and makati. So kaya yan right away. Anyway, kunin ko muna pala yung pajama nito tapos close na tayo ng vlog. Nasaan yung bag niya? Ang kalat ng bahay natin, but that's okay guys kasi the pasyente. Okay, shall we do your clothes here because it's so cold in the bedroom?
Yeah, good idea.
Let's do this here.
I have to clean the teeth.
It's okay babe, no problem. No problema. Mag-close na tayo guys. Yun na lang for today. I'll see you guys soon. Baka hindi ako mag-vlog tomorrow. Dito lang naman kami sa bahay. Wala na kaming gagawin. So nakalabas na tayo ng hospital. Okay na si Tony guys. Pero yung recovery is matagal. As in seryosong matagal this time. Hindi niya magagalaw talaga yung kamay niya. But okay na yun guys. Dito lang tayo sa bahay. Are you brushing your teeth, babe?
Yeah.
Huh? You brushing your teeth?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I was waiting for you, but that's okay. Hintayin na lang natin siya matapos. So, yeah, andito lang tayo sa bahay ng ilang buwan. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng umalis. Meron din siya mga PCO, guys. So, tsaka doctor appointment. So, hindi tayo makakagala. Bahay lang tayo. Pero, I think, hindi lang sure, guys. Baka dumating yung mga kapatid niya, hindi lang natin alam, but we'll see guys. Pero wala tayong vlog tomorrow, mag-edit na lang siguro ako and sobrang lamig. Yun lang guys for today. Salamat sa panonood. Bahay na tayo, bahay na and bibihisan ko lang kasi malamig talaga yung sa loob. Hintayin ko lang siya and yun guys, salamat sa panonood.